How to fix Instagram story effects. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story effects easily and fast. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and after that you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app and click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back and click on the data usage, make sure that everything is enabled right here. Go back into the apps again and search for the Google Play Store. Click on Google like this and click on force stop, go to the storage, click on clear cache, and then now the last thing you want to do is reopen the Play Store and search for Instagram and click on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.